And see here, sixth question. If A and B are two monomials not having the same numerical factor. Not having the same numerical factor means, for example, not having the same numerical factor means here 7 and here 5 I am taking. Two different numerical factors and possessing same literal factors. For example, xy, here xy. Okay, the numerical factors are different, but having the same literal factors, what we will call these two factors, ma? Like factors, okay, or like terms. These two we will call this one as like terms. Understand? So which option is correct? B, like terms. Okay, yes. Next one, see that here x square into pq. So we can write that one as x square pq. This totally one term only, no? So if that expression is containing one term, then what we will call that term? The expression which is containing only one term, then we will call that one as monomial. Okay, and this one 2 into x is 2x plus y square by 4. So in this expression, how many terms are there? 1 and 2. Okay, 2 terms are there. 2 terms are there means we will call that one as a binomial. If an expression is containing 2 terms, then we will call that one as a binomial. Okay, next. Here this one we can write it as 3 into p. 3p plus q divided by 4. So q by 4 minus 5. So here how many terms are there, ma? In this expression we are having that 3 terms. 3p, q by 4, 5. 3 terms there, no? If an expression is containing 3 terms, then we will call that one as a trinomial. Understand? Yes. And finally here this one, p square plus q square minus pq minus 7. How many terms are there, ma? 4 terms are there. Okay, if an expression is containing more than 3 terms, then we will call that one as a multinomial or polynomial. And there is a difference between multinomial and polynomial. Every polynomial we can say that one as a multinomial, but every multinomial need not be a polynomial. What is the difference? Why? Because a multinomial means the power should be here, power is either positive or negative. Power of the variable is either negative or positive. Okay, then we will call that one as a multinomial. If the power of that, if the exponent of the variable is a positive only, then we will call that one as a polynomial. Okay, in that polynomial all the exponents must be positive integers. That is called polynomial. And multinomial means the power is either positive or negative. Just see the difference. P power minus 2 is there. P power minus 2. So we will call this one as a multinomial. We will call this one as a multinomial. Now here p square. P square means this is a positive, no? So this is called a polynomial or a multinomial. Polynomial or multinomial we can say that. Why? Because here just I am saying about the powers, positive power or positive exponent. Here negative exponent. Negative exponents there means we will call that one as only multinomial. Positive power is there means either that is a polynomial or multinomial. Here multinomial they given, that's why take this one as multinomial. Understand the difference, ma? Yes. Okay, here I will write the statement, say that every polynomial is a multinomial. But every multinomial need not be a polynomial. Need not be a polynomial. Why? Because if that multinomial is having that negative power, then that is not a polynomial. Okay ma, this is the statement. So as per this one here, which option is correct? See that 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3. Yes, 2, 3 given. So this is wrong and this is also wrong. 2, 4, 3, 1 is wrong. 2, 4, 1, 3. Finally, option B is satisfying. Okay? Yes. Yes, see here children, 8th question, what is that? If a P is equals to 16 A square B square. P is equal to 16 A square B square. Okay? That is one of the value they given. And in the same way here, what they given must say that P values no need to substitute, and here this values they given 16 is equal to x square, a square is equal to p power 8, next b square is equal to q power 16, b square is equal to q power 16. Those values they given, no? As per this one here, what values we need to find out? X a square b square plus x square a power 4 b power 4 plus x power 4 a power 8 b power 8, a power 8 b power 8. Okay, this value we need to find out. Now here x square is equal to 16, but here they given that x term, no? So that's why here x is equal to, we can write this one as 4 square is equal to x square. As per this one here, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Okay, now substitute that x is equal to 4 and a square is equal to here p power 8, b square is equal to q power 16, b square is equal to q power 16. Clear ma? Yes. Plus x square means already they given 16 and we know that a square value only, no? But here see that a square whole square is equal to p power 8 whole square. So a power 2 into 2 is 4. Then here a power 4 is equal to p power 8 to 16. Understand ma? As per that one, a power 4 value is p power 16. Okay. So p power 16. Next b power 4. B power 4 means b square whole square is equal to q power 16 whole square. Q power 16 whole square. Okay. As per this one here, we can write this one as b power 4 is equal to q power 16 to 32. 16 to 32. So b power 4 value also we have no here. So that is q power 32. Q power 32 plus x power 4. X power 4 means x square whole square. Next, a power 8. Already a power 4 value we know that. So a power 4 whole square. And here b power 4 whole square. Why? Because a power 4, b power 4 values we know that, no? So that's why. Now here 4 into p power 8 q power 16 plus 16 p power 16 q power 32 plus x power 2 to the 4. Okay, that's why here x square is equal to what is the value ma? 16. 16 whole square. A power 4 is equal to p power 16 whole square. B power 4 is equal to q power 32 whole square. Q power 32 whole square. Okay. Now simplify it. 4 p power 8 q power 16 plus here 16 p power 16 p power 16 q power 32 plus, and here say that 16 16 256 p power 32 plus 256 p power 32 and q power here p power 32 q power 32 to 64. Finally, this is the required expression. What is that? 4 p power 8 q power 16. 4 p power 8 q power 16. Okay, these two values we have to check. C and D not satisfying that. So 4 into p power 8 q power 16 and 16 p power 16 q power 32. So this is also wrong. Q power 16 p power 16 q power 32. 256 p power 32 q power 64. Okay ma, finally which option is satisfying here? Option B is satisfying. Okay, yes. Next see that 9th one. What is that? if a power y minus x, what is that? A power y minus x into b power z minus y into c power z minus x into d power x plus y plus z. If ABCD are first 4 powers of 3, ABCD are first 4 powers of 3, A is equal to 3 power 1, given that B is equal to 3 square, C is equal to 3 cube, D is equal to 3 power 4. First 4 powers of 3 they are asking, no? Okay, so that's why. Then here A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3 3 is 9, C is equal to 9 3 is 27, D is equal to 27 3 is 81. Understand ma? These are the values of ABCD. Along with that, they given x, y, z are the first 3 natural numbers, and also given that x, y, z are first 3 natural numbers. So what is the first natural number here? 1. And second natural number is 2. Third natural number is 3. 1, 2, 3. Am I clear ma here? So 1, 2, 3, those are the values of x, y, z. Now what they are asking? Now we have to substitute those values here. Okay. Then here A is equal to 3, power y is equal to 2 minus x is equal to 1 into B is equal to 9, z is equals to 3, y is equal to 2 into C is equal to 27 power z is equals to here 3 minus x is equal to 1 into D is equal to 81 power x plus y plus z, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Understand ma? Now simplify it. 3 power 2 minus 1 is 1 into 9 power 3 minus 2 is 1 into 27 3 minus 1 is 2 into 81 power 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Clear? Now the answer is in the terms of 3 powers or powers of 3. Okay, so convert these all the numbers in the powers of 3. 3 power 1 into 3 square whole power 1. Okay, or else we can write like this only, no? 9 we can write it as 3 square. Next, 3 cube whole square. 3 cube means 27. Okay ma? Into 3 power 4 whole power 6. 3 power 4 whole power 6. Now here 3 power 1 is 3 into 3 power 2 into 1 is 2 into next 3 power 3 2 is 6, 3 power 6 into 3 power here 4 6 24. We can write this one as 3 power 1 into 3 power 2 into 3 power 6 into 3 power 24, which is equals to 3 power 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 24. Why? Because in that exponents we have the formula a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. In 6th class already we learned that laws of exponents, no ma? So as per this one here, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. We can write this one as 3 power 24 plus 6, that is equal to 30. 30 plus 2 32 plus 1 33. 3 power 33. Okay. As per this one, which option is correct? Yes, option B, 3 power 33 is the correct answer. Understand ma? Yes. Next, 10th one, and here this is the final question from that worksheet 2. What is that here? 7 plus xy is a trinomial. Just they are saying here, just they are asking, is it true or false? Okay. See that. 7 plus xy. How many terms there ma? 2 terms are there. 2 terms there means that is a binomial. Here I will write, see that. 2 terms there, then that is a binomial. Okay. But here they given the trinomial, no? So that's why this is the false statement. That is the false statement. Okay. Next. 5xy and 8axy are unlike terms. Yes or no? Here you may get the doubt. Ma'am, here xy is there, here xy is there. Why we can't say those two are like terms? Why? Because here one more variable term is there, that is axy. Here xy is there, here axy is there. That's why those two are unlike terms. Okay, so this is the true statement. Understand, ma? Yes. Next, third one, coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is -8 only given, but actually here the coefficient of y is -8x. Okay, but here they given that -8. That's why this is also false statement. That is also false statement. And 4 into AB is 4AB. 4AB is the monomial term. Monomial, not a binomial. So that's why this is also false statement. Understand, ma? As per this one, which is correct here? False, true, false and false. False, true, false and false. These two statements we can say that first one false only, no? Yes. False, false, true, true, false, false. Yes, these two options are same only. Same options they given. Okay. So either here A or C. Same options they given, ma. So that's why here we can take that either A or C. Or else if you want to change any option, then you can do that. Okay. So here these are the questions what they given in that worksheet 2. Okay. In this video totally worksheet 2 10 questions we discussed, no ma. In that next video we will discuss that worksheet 3 questions. Okay. Thank you all.